I've heard of these two qualifications, ACCA and CFA, but I'm not sure which one to opt for. What does ACCA teach versus CFA? What kind of jobs does ACCA get me versus CFA? Is CFA more well known in India or is ACCA more well known? If I want to ever open global opportunities for myself, which is a better route to take? What do starting ACCA students earn versus what do CFA students earn? And most importantly what is the right one for me? Which is a qualification which I am going to like and I am going to enjoy. Now, if you're somebody who is confused and who wants answers to this video is for you. So watch it till the end, because by the end of this video, you'll be very sure of what you want to opt for. So ACCA, which is the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, look, this body is headquartered in the UK, but they've got students in 178 plus countries across the world, and India is a very big consumer of ACCA students. ACCA एक ऐसा जनरलिस्ट बिजनेस एंड फाइनेंस क्वालिफिकेशन है जो आपको बिजनेस एंड फाइनेंस के अनेकों सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए तैयार करता है, राइट? So you will study global accounting and reporting. So you become an absolute expert at preparing any global balance sheet or analyzing any global balance sheet. You understand the mystery behind the numbers like nobody's business. So it will prepare you for that. It will prepare you for auditing. You study subjects like costing, financial management, leadership and strategy, taxes, laws. So you study a mix of subjects. So आप basically एक business को एक global lens या global perspective से देखने का बहुत स्किल आप में आ जाता है, ठीक है, विथ अ लॉट ऑफ 21st सेंचुरी टेक्नोलॉजी सॉर्ट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव, राइट? तो ये है. और ACCA करने के बाद यू कैन वर्क एज an accounting advisor, an auditor, you can work in risk, you can work in corporate finance, management consulting, ESG. So it prepares you for a host of roles, again in organizations which include the big four and organizations, top companies across sectors, right? Now ACCA typically एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम है जो अंडरग्रेड स्टडीज़ के साथ 2.5 से 3 साल में अब हो जाता है, and with an investment of anywhere between 3.5 lakh to 4.5 lakh of rupees, depending on which route you take, because there are quite a few routes in ACCA, but typically you can say that's the average investment that you need. And you could look at start salaries upwards of 5-6 lakhs etc. as soon as you finish your ACCA, and the moment you combine another experience or another degree, this figure only moves northwards, right? So this is with respect to ACCA. Now let's look at what CFA is. On the other hand, if you look at CFA as a body is headquartered in the US, but again amazing presence across the world. CFA as a qualification typically is a gold standard in investment analysis and portfolio management. So you study a host of subjects like equity markets, bonds, derivatives, alternative investments, portfolio planning, quantitative aptitude, ethics, etc. And it prepares you for basically a variety of roles around investment analysis, portfolio management, risk, corporate finance, investment banking. So typically, having done your CFA, you get prepared to work in commercial banks, asset management companies, which is mutual funds, investment banks, private equity, hedge funds. So complete BFSI, all right? Now CFA भी about 3-3.5 साल लगता है, alongside your undergrad studies, pretty similar to ACCA. And in terms of investments, again CFA is an investment about 4.5 lakh of rupees roughly, you can say. And both ACCA and CFA get you jobs by the time you're 21, 22, in pretty much a range of 6 lakh to 7 lakh rupees per annum. Of course, depending on your experience and a lot of other factors. So both of them in that sense are very strong, very well-known qualifications and accepted by employers in India adequately. अब point ये आता है कि मैं ये करूँ या ये करूँ, right? अब मैं उसका आपको जवाब देता हूँ. So now as a student, अगर आपका interest अभी भी explored नहीं है, आपको अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि where my interest lies, okay? Then I generally recommend students to do a general business and finance qualification जो आपको basically सब कुछ सिखाएगा, right? Finance, accounting, strategy, leadership, taxes. तो फिर मैं वो situation में advise करता हूँ that you do your ACCA. बिकॉज आपको सब कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा एंड यू विल ऑल्सो गेट प्रिपेयर फॉर अ होस्ट ऑफ रोल्स. अब उसमें देयर इज एन FM पेपर, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट पेपर. अगर आपको लगता है कि एज यू आर डूइंग योर ACCA, दैट्स अ पेपर यू आर डेवलपिंग इंटरेस्ट टुवर्ड्स, यू आर डेवलपिंग इंटरेस्ट टुवर्ड्स कैपिटल मार्केट्स, as you go along your undergrad studies also you will realize your interest, then you can pick up your CFA. So I have a lot of students who do their ACCA and then they super specialize and then they do their CFA alongside their jobs, right? I know it'll take long, but that's one route. Alternatively, if you are somebody who is very interested from the beginning in global capital markets, आपको equity, bonds, derivatives ये सब बहुत excite करता है, you are pro with numbers, you're pro with math, you track global events at large, you love global economics. अगर ये आपका शुरुआत से calling है, then you can dive directly into CFA and then accordingly make a career, right? So it really depends on where you are in terms of your calling. अभी प्रिपेयर्डनेस नहीं है, समझ नहीं है क्या आता है या क्या नहीं आता है, देन प्लीज़ गो फॉर अ क्वालिफिकेशन लाइक ACCA. वो आपको सब कुछ, सब सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए तैयार करेगा, वैरायटी ऑफ रोल्स, वैरायटी ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के लिए तैयार करेगा, विद अ लॉट ऑफ रिकग्निशन इन इंडिया एंड ग्लोबली. ओके, और उसके बाद आप अपना स्पेशलाइजेशन चूज कर सकते हो. जैसे कोई स्टूडेंट CFA करते हैं ACCA के साथ, काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स मैंने देखा है ACCA के बाद MBA करने जाते हैं. काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स ACCA के बाद कोर्सेज लाइक डेटा एनालिटिक्स ले लेते हैं, ESG विच इज़ एनवायरमेंटल एंड सोशल गवर्नेंस ले लेते हैं. यू नो, दीज आर वेरी इन ट्रेंड कोर्सेज विच यू कैन डू अलॉन्गसाइड योर जॉब्स. एंड लेट्स यू डोंट वांट टू डू अ कोर्स अलॉन्गसाइड योर जॉब एंड यू जस्ट वांट टू वर्क फॉर अ फ्यू इयर्स, एब्सोल्युटली नो प्रॉब्लम. और आप अगर बहुत प्रिपेयर्ड हैं टू मेक अ करियर इन ग्लोबल कैपिटल मार्केट्स, पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट, इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लानिंग, फिर आप CFA का राउट डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग ले सकते हैं. हैविंग सेड दैट, बोथ आर अमेजिंग क्वालिफिकेशंस, बोथ हैव लॉट ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस विथ employers, and they will definitely pave a way for global mobility for you. Now, if you want to know more about ACCA and CFA in particular, you want to know about the levels, the subjects, the exam, the pass rates, the difficulty levels, the jobs, we've got detailed playlists for both. So go and check that out and you'll find every piece of information that you're looking for. I hope that helps.